Hello everyone! Start off by taking a square sheet of paper, then cut it up into 4 squares and then taking one small portion of it, fold it over vertically and horizontally as such, open up these folds and then make an arrowhead like shape on either side. Now fold it over on the other side as well and then fold the top over downwards. Fold it into half. After you're done with this, make multiple of these and then begin to arrange them one beside the other as such. Insert the edges of it into the gaps that are present onto its neighboring component. Now continue to do this and then do this for all of them. Add some glue at the top of it as well so that it stays in its place as such. Now continue to do this for all of them. Make an entire circular shape out of it. Next, start off by taking this yellow piece of paper and then add checks to it. Afterwards, make it into a conical shape by adding tape onto one end of it. Now crush up some bubble wrap and then wrap it around with some tape, wrap it around with some paper as well, and then insert it into your cone-like shape. Add some clay to the edge of it, use tape in order to make it stick and then spread it. Next, we'll start off by taking a white sheet of paper and then draw on the head of a dragon as well as the back of it. Afterwards, cut these two out after coloring it out. Now, take another sheet of paper, draw on the body, color it in and then cut this out as well. Fold this into half, make multiple folds out of it, flatten it all out. After you are done with this, once again bring it all together, add a straw on either end of it. Now stick the tail on the straw and then stick the head on the straw as well. Now make it move. Next, take an egg and then afterwards cut out the top of it as such. Take out all of the contents of it, then add some tissue paper into it. Add some water into this once you're done with this. Let it all soak up. Now it can be used as a bobblehead. Afterwards, make this conical shape, decorate it as much as possible. Stick some glue at the base of it and stick it all on top. Afterwards, take a piece of pink clay, make these balls out of it, add it at the top of the conical shape. Afterwards, arrange it as such and then add a face to the front of it. Next, take multiple pieces of tissue paper, wrap it up into a ball. Then take a paper and then wrap this paper around the tissue paper as well. Take some tape, wrap it all around. Now take a yellow piece of paper, make a cylindrical shape out of it, and then afterwards wrap some more paper around it. After this, wrap some pink paper around it as well. Now make a small hole at the base of your crushed paper and then insert this underneath it. This will be used as a handle for it. Now take multiple little candies and then add tape all around. Make a double-sided tape as such. Now stick your candies onto it. Stick the candies all around and then add this heart shape to the front of it all. Now take this pink sheet of paper, fold it over horizontally and then vertically. Now fold over one top part of it after unfolding the rest. Make an arrowhead-like shape out of one end of it and then make these folds at the bottom. Insert the bottom folds into the top as such and then press the base of it and then you should be formed with the heart shape. Next, take this rectangular sheet of pink paper, make this diagonal cut to it and then make multiple folds over horizontally until you reach the top. Once you're done with this, join them all together in the center as such and then afterwards you should be left with this fan-like shape. Now add tape to the base of it and then stick the heart on top of this. Next, start off by taking a rectangular sheet of paper, make the circular shape out of it, and then afterwards taking the stencil, make this bottom curve out of it. Now add these eyes at the top of it as such and then color it all in. Cut it out once you are done with this. After you are done cutting it out, then make it double layered, add a lollipop in the center, add glue to it to stick it in place. Thank you for watching.